Hi everybody, I just got the Starman Tarot by David DeAngelis, and it was inspired by the artworks he created for David Bowie. So I'm very excited by this. It's the deluxe kit, which comes with gilding, a hardbound book, I love extra detail taken. History of Tarot, Major Arcana. So it's in color. If you love David Bowie, you'll probably really like this. I love this strength card. That just is a gorgeous card. It really resonates with me about emotional strength. It's like training dogs. You have to be strong inside to really get dogs to listen to you and do what you want. I think the Fool is David Bowie, and I also think there's an extra card. There's the World. No, there was no extra card. Okay. There's the Starman. Okay, so he's the magician. There's the Fool. Let's see what this is. That's Bowie. Ooh, I love all the colors. I've always thought David Bowie was so gorgeous. Ooh, wow. So this is a lot of artwork in this little booklet. Just give you an idea. Let's find the cards. Okay. Need my trusty little scissors. I didn't think about the cards being wrapped in cellophane too. I was trying to save time by getting the outside one. Okay, so now this is a very big deck. So here's the box. Here's the back. You can see it takes up more than my hand. It takes up all my hand, palm. Look at that beautiful gold gilding. Got a little sparkle to it too. The Fool. Okay, it's not sticking bad. Starman, the Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. I don't know, this deck has just such a really good feeling to me. The cards are not too thick. They're decent stock. They'll be easy to shuffle if they weren't so big. The Emperor, Hierophant. Ooh, the Lovers. With 2 angels flying above them. And the man is very androgynous looking, like David Bowie. The Chariot. Oh, the Strength card. I always love the Strength card. But her in this dress with 2 lions and so calm, cool, and collected. This girl does not doubt herself, does not compare herself to others. The Alien. Number 9. So the alien is the Hierophant. He doesn't even have the lantern. I guess this is the lantern, the light there. The Wheel. Justice. Oh, the Hangman. I see his legs. Oh, and here his face is. Death. And there's the sun to transform to. Temperance. Balance and moderation. We got the feminine and the masculine in this. This one so looks like the Cyborg, the Death card. And Sphinxes for the 2 lovers at the bottom. The Tower. I really enjoy this artwork. You know, this is the kind of artwork you either love it or you don't. I love it. The Star. She even has stars holding up her thigh-high boots. Very cool. The Moon. Now that's a moon bathing I want to go to. Charge myself with the full moon. The Sun. Look at all those arms. Judgment. The World. She looks like she has conquered the world. And that snake is just hanging out, very at peace with her. Ace of Cups. Very beautiful. Why? 2 cups. They have started a relationship. This is a great... I love the way they look like they're meditating together. 3 of Cups. They have drunk so much they're spilling it on themselves now. Party on. 4 of Cups. He looks a little more than bored. It looks more like the 5 of Cups with the spilt milk. Oh, I like this. With the pictures, the memories. This little girl's up in that picture. Very beautiful. Feels like maybe it's just me. Nope, there was two. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. He looks ready to move on. He's done his best. 9 of Cups. She's looking pretty content. 10 of Cups. We got the happy family, the cat, we've got a bird. No dog, but at least I got a cat and a bird. Princess of Cups for the page. Prince of Cups for the knight. Queen of Cups. She looks like, I am large and in charge. I'll sit how I want. Don't mess with me. I'll nurture you. But don't try to tear me down. King of Cups. He does look sensitive. Ace of Pentacles. What does that say? I really can't. Is it a hookah? No. Maybe. Ace of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles. He looks like he's balancing on the infinity sign there. 3 of Pentacles. Very cool looking. Looks like an acrobat. 4 Pentacles. He looks very comfortable. He doesn't look like he's hoarding his money at all. He looks like he's got a kind of Bowie-like face on his chest. 5 of Pentacles. It looks like the traditional church door right here, the windows with the pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. That person has a tiger's face. 7 of Pentacles. Or coins. 8. 9. Okay, she does look like she's sitting pretty or standing pretty in luxury with her hawk right there. Looks like gold at her feet, everywhere. Even her hair looks like gold. 10 of Pentacles. Very gorgeous. Princess of Pentacles. Prince of Pentacles. Well, there, that's better. The Queen. The working mom, she has got everything under control. The King of Pentacles. His couch, his throne is a horse. It looks like a mechanical horse. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. There he is doing the traditional Rider-Waite Three of Wands, looking out to see his ships coming in, how things are progressing. Four of Wands. I see two of the Wands at the moment. Five of Wands. Okay, this has got the traditional fighting, the arguing. Six of Wands. The victor. Looks like everyone's bowing to this person. Seven of Wands. So he's up high, defending his position that he has won. He looks like he's standing on a tower. But I know he's not. Maybe. Eight of Wands. Look like taking a trip into space. Nine of Wands. There's the face right there. Ten of Wands. An exhausted person. He's going to need a serious massage, him or her. Ooh, the Princess of Wands. This is gorgeous. Just beautiful. Oh, there. Prince of Wands. Queen. Look, her sunflowers are there. King. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Not the traditional sitting blindfolded with the swords crossed across in front of her chest. Three of Swords. But this person does look like they have grief. That harsh words were said. Four of Swords, recuperation, meditating to recuperate. Five of Swords. Very traditional type picture. Rider-Waite. Six of Swords. Okay, we got them on the boat. I really can't. It all looks like choppy water, but I don't see the smooth water. Maybe it is smooth water. Seven of Swords. 8 of Swords. Okay, that's a great picture there. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. Princess. Ooh, he's hot. Prince of Swords. Queen. King of Swords. Oh, and another David Bowie, the Starman. So I guess you get an extra magician because it says number 1. Let's see if I can shuffle these. I can do it the corner wise. I don't, nope, can't do it this way. That's very difficult. That's like stretching my hand out. And it feels weird to do it the long ways. I just never do it this way. But I could do it that way. Let's do another riffle shuffle. Let's rub my hands, see if the gold comes off. Oh, okay, some of it did come off. Not much. But I'm always happy to have glitter on me. Let's just pull a card. 5 of Swords. A lot of fighting, disagreeing, strong emotions. Lots of people from different perspectives. Very passionate arguing. Let's see what the book says about the 5 of Wands. Three. Well, we know it typically represents 5. Disharmony, dire earthbound situation. The watery misery of 5 of Cups. Where it says tragic atmospheric conflict. Theatrical over exaggerated gestures, strange carnivalesque mask invite us to take a closer look at the action. Put it here so you can pause and look at it if you want, because this is getting long. Well, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the Starman of David Bowie's new deck, or David DeAngelis. Very nice kit. Oops. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, everybody. Bye.